ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಂದು ನಡೆದ KTET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಸಂಭವನೀಯ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 35% ಆಫ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 28, ದೆನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4 80 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಟ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್. ಸೊ 93ಗೆ ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ DOE ಈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಬಂದು 50 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದ 3 angles ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಆರ್ 98 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 62 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 84 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಗಿವನ್ -4 to the power of m plus 3 into -4 to the power of m plus 1 equals -4 to the power of 6. Then the value of m is 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So answer ಬಂದು the area of circle is 49 pi square units. Then the area of its quadrant is 49 by 4 pi square units ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, KEAಗೆ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ FDA, SDA ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಿ, ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ. ದ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 1, 4, 10, P, 16 ಈಸ್ 9. ದೆನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ P ಈಸ್ 14 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The product of two numbers -28 by 27. If one of the number is -4 by 9, then the other number is 7 by 3. The volume of a cone when its base area is 49 pi centimeter square and height is 12 cm is 196 centimeter cube ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The three numbers are in ratio of 1:2:3 and the sum of their squares is equal to 896. Then the numbers are 8, 16, 24. The distance between origin and a point of -a and a is a √2 unit. The sum of square of two consecutive multiples of 7 is 637. The numbers are 14 and 21. A box contains 40 electric bulbs, out of which 20% of bulbs are defective. The probability of getting a good bulb is 4 by 5. The value of x is when x is to x, 8 is to x equals 17.6 is to 72 point is 33 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. If triangle ABC, AB is 3 cm, BC is 2 cm and C is 2.5 cm. Given that triangle DEF is equal to triangle ABC, similar to triangle ABC, and EF 4 cm, the perimeter of triangle DEF is 15 cm. The difference between the cube of a number and its square is 100, then the number is 5. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. The ratio of their volumes is 1:64. The value of x square plus 1 by x square when x equals 3 plus 2√2 is 34. The least number which when divided by 8, 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves 3 as a remainder is 147. The length and breadth of rectangle garden are expressed in terms of linear polynomials of a same variable. Then its area is quadratic polynomial. Side of a square is increased by 10% of it. Then the percentage increased in its area is 21%. The value of √300 plus √200 when √3 is 1.73 and √2 is 1.41 is 31.4. Number of boys and girls in a class are in a ratio of 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. The total class strength is 48. The age of man is 38 years more than the age of his son. The sum of their age is 82 years. Then the age of father is 60 years. In a mixture substance, A, B and C are in a ratio of 8:5:7. The percentage of C in the mixture is 35. Assimilation, fitting new information. Accommodation. Accommodation means modifying existing schemas. Blueprint, achieving test. Rubrics, performance. Aim of teaching mathematics, broad and comprehensive. Object of teaching mathematics, straight and specific. A student observed that 1 plus 3 equals 4, 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 equals 16. Then conclude that the first of some n odd natural numbers is n square, forming a conjecture. For a child with visual impairment, Which of the following is most appropriate adaptation of assessment? The understanding of geometrical shapes. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು oral expression when the child describes and identifies shapes tactically. Next science questions ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. The correct statement among the following is the magnitude or speed of the velocity of a moving body in a particular direction is equal. A car of mass 400 kg moving at a speed of 90 km per hour is about to rest in 10 seconds. Force acting on a car is minus 1000 Newton. Hypermetropia can be corrected by using convex lens. The equation that does not represent Joule's law of heating is H equals IRT. The magnetic lines of forces inside a solenoid are parallel straight lines. The statement that correctly describes the friction is contact force and oppose the motion. A ray of light traveling opaque from water to diamond after refraction ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ bend towards the normal. An object kept at a distance of 30 cm from a convex lens of radius of curvature 30 cm produces a sharp image from the lens at 30 cm. A box of a mass 30 kg is lifted upwards by A of a height 5 meter in 15 seconds and by B to a height of 8 meters in 25 seconds. If P of A and P of B are powers of A and B respectively, then P of A is greater than P of B. The gas responsible for greenhouse effect is carbon dioxide. Symbol of silver is argentum Ag. Isotope used in treatment of goiter iodine. The gas liberated in the reaction between metal carbonates and hydrochloric acid carbon dioxide CO2. Fe2O3 plus 2Al. Reaction of 2Fe plus Al2O3 plus heat. This reaction is called as hydrogenation. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ thermite reaction ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The basic oxide is MgO. The products formed by reaction of Na2SO4 and BaCl2. BaSO4 plus NaCl. The naphthalene balls are obtained from coal tar. The direction growth of pollen tubes towards ovules. Chemotropism. The tissue that helps to connect two bones. Ligament. Cellular level of organization is found in the phylum Porifera. The percentage of sunlight captured by green plants in terrestrial ecosystem that falls on their leaves 1%. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದಿಸಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Complete the following reaction. Glucose, pyruvate, lactic acid, lack of oxygen. So lactobacillus convert milk into curd. Yeast used in production of alcohol. Antibiotics, streptomycin, female Aedes mosquito, carrier of dengue virus. So read the given statements ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Statement 1, manure contains large quantities of organic matter and also supplies small quantities of nutrients to the soil. Manure is not prepared by decomposition of animal and plant waste. Statement 1 is correct, 2 is incorrect. The characteristics that implies the scientific knowledge is always subject to change in tentative knowledge. The domain of Bloom's taxonomy includes objectives related to valuing and organization. Affective domain. Heuristic method discovery. Project method execution. Which of the following is not a limitation of the lecture method in teaching science? It is not suitable for delivering large amount of information in small duration. In a micro-teaching session, the skill of reinforcement, a teacher nods and smiles. When student gives correct answer, the action is an example for positive non-verbal reinforcement. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ KS ಅಂತ. ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.